buat Singglar people. Kali ini maaf ya suara gue kecil, gue lagi di rumah sakit. Gue mau nengokin temen gue yang habis lahiran. Gue mau ngasih bunga. Ayo ikutin gue cepetan.
Here in the middle of nowhere, there is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up, no time to let to drift away. I find my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again.
Banyak.
Namanya siapa bang?
Namanya Sirin.
Sirin.
Perempuan.
Sirin Sungkar.
Iya.
Sirin Sangkar
Disisirin. Sirin.
Disisirin.
Kita kasih ini dulu ya.
Nembak dulu.
Sayang, Mbak Neng.
Up above, just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting down, feeling fine. I'm light as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above, just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo.